Hello, my people. I welcome you, all of you, now to my segment for today. Now, maybe that Igbo song, that Obonge Igbo Pikin, where they teach Igbo language and how Igbo people they take, behave, and they live them life. I welcome Una once again. Now, who be that person where they think say everything for this world don't they complete for her? Somebody will be say, he go day. In phone go they ring, he go they look at. No be say they something get something where they do where no fit make and take the call. And no be say you don't know who they call them. Where they go talk say this person where they call and those people where they from phone or do one bad thing or the other to person. This one be say he know who they call, but he no go pick. Because of sake of say the person where they call him no they reach as he expect. Because he believes say people where go they answer them call and people where they bring money come give her. Where they bring business won't come give her. Anybody where they won't come collect in call no they important. I see somebody waiting say for TikTok the other day, somebody waiting saying don't arrive. As some people they talk saying no they take call. If person call and the next thing where you go do be you go tell the person say may you go meet them for WhatsApp. When the person call WhatsApp, talk, if not give me money, you go block the person. Now there the relationship or friendship will go end. Somebody they talker. Before the person arrive, she been another person help her. Some people they think say help now only when God open heaven you go throw one, you go come knock you for head like bomb. No be so help they take rich person hand. Now from another person help they take enter another person hand. That person where they talk that thing. Now through somebody he take maker. Now somebody give an connection where he take maker. God will meet somebody talk to her make the person meet her. Now he don't they dance buga. Because of say the money don't come. He go open him mouth talk say many people know they call him. Like say if I one year of Abacha Pikin call him, he no go answer. Like say if Obasanjo, even though he know the government again call him, he go answer. Even P2B whether they give shishi, if you call him, he go answer. Because he no know whether P2B go fit connect him to somebody. We go give him work, we go they bring shishi put inside his pocket. Now such call in the answer. But a call where they say, I know gate, give me small. No. That call now, they disturb person. People where they talk now, where they don't see money, they don't forget about 1 year ago where money no day. They don't forget about 2 years ago where they no see money. They don't forget, say, you get the time where we say they no see 1 naira. People will be like them, and then support them. They chop, they drink water. Now, when they don't reach where they say, person go, they call them. Call them and they no go answer. Now then go even call you say, give me your number. You not go meet, you not go talk. Oh. They go say, make I have your number. You go carry your number, give them. Make I ask you where they form big man. I don't know how much way you get to, and how much way you go to get no concern me. Because the one where I get are the manager. You where they form say you don't big. If you then come out that cloth where you wear for body. Pata come out. Waiting again, you think say you be. Now that time your true color go come show. You go know say that person where they dodging call even better pass you. Forget about this thing where you take put for body, where make you think say you don't reach. Now who you they feed in wife? Now who you they feed in husband? Now who you they feed in pikin? Even they ask you for money, how much they ask you? Where be say you no go they answer call. You go use your mouth where you take a chop yam, chop go yam. Talk say, you know they take calls. And a disturbance people they give you. Person call you, you go knock them off. Tell them say make him meet you for WhatsApp. If you go there, still talk about money, you go block them. If people will make you come the buga now, that time where they call them for help. If you say they knock you off, block you, how you go take reach you? I do think say God go just use that blessing where he would get for you, where they make you the one your mouth like a orca masquerade. Take shoot the wealth or blessing, may it can reach you. You know if it's there possible. Now person God they use bless another person. If you don't want to help somebody, pick call. Pick call, tell the person say if they talk say na money matter. Tell am say you no get. Just look for one lie or the other. Tell am. Even if you no wan help am, tell am say you no get. No be make you dey give the person the impression say you know dey pick call sake of say in dey ask for help. That thing dey pain o. You dey pay for heart well well. If you ask me for my number, you no go use am take decorate your phone, na to dey call. If I call you, as you no call me, you dey too busy to call me. Pick am. If you no fit pick, send me message, tell me say you go call me. Okay? No be say you no go call me. Then if I call you, you no go pick. And if you no pick, sake of say something wey dey your hand dey plenty pass the whole world. You suppose call back, you no go call back. Or you talk say you go call back, you no go call back. Or sometimes when I call you no pick, I go use another number call you, you go pick am. When you pick am, you go begin dey talk, oh, I go call you back because you no know wetin you go tell me. That one no work o. Make everybody dey listen. Anywhere where you dey, na people wey dey around that place be your relations o. Na dem be your sweetheart o. Before that sweetheart, that wife, that husband wey you get, wey you dey expect say na him be the person wey go dey call, wey you go dey answer call, na you suppose call when you get matter. When you get matter wey you need to help and solve. If they know they around when you get matter problem, maybe get something wey do you, wey be say they suppose carry you go hospital, make doctor treat you, give you medicine, make you well. If them sweetheart, that your sweetheart no dey there, your husband no dey, your wife no dey, na those people wey dey around, na they go carry you go, where they go give you better treatment. Nothing go happen to you. But if you say make you wait till those people where you know, where you dey take them calls, where you dey call, make them come. If it's yamutu o, so na so the thing be o. If somebody won't help you, sometimes calls where you say, I know this person, he won't call me, make he ask me for money. Sometimes now make the person give you information where go help you. They no go do you bad thing. People will plan to do you evil, no go fit succeed. But because of say the person, you don't know how you take money to get your number. He go call you, pick up. Like some people go talk say they pick call where they no sell for the phone. As they call you, they go send you text message. Now, the person will send you text message. You don't make you know who him be. Now you don't know who they call you. You go still no pick. At the end of the day, if that thing can't happen, now you go begin regret. Now who you go blame? Now yourself. Not be every call. Wake on your phone. Now make you give me money. No be some call go now to help you. Now the person they call. Some call now to save your life. But you no go know because every call will not come from people like Babangida, people like Buhari, people like Dangote, people like Otedola, people like Madam Folorunsho. If calls no come from such people, that one no be better call. Now call make you give me. Life no be like that. Always the pick call. If you know fit pick call, send message. If you no go fit send message, you no go fit pick calls, then you no go fit call. How you go take relate with people? How you go take know who won't do you bad thing? How you go take know who really like you? This buga forming, it don't reach when person go sit down, ask himself, say, people wey no get money and people wey get money, which one will fit to help me, give me better money? You get money, you won't do investment. You no go carry the investment, go no be people wey rich. You go call, make them come help you get richer. Now people where they work for all these people wey rich. Now people wey never see money chop. Now then go work, make person wey get money still they get money. So how you go see people wey be like that? You go they treat them like say they no get weight. Sake of say they no reach that level where you dey. If person know they do the same thing, you be person where they ask him. The only people where they pick them call and people where they ask him. If somebody see what you post, say you do good, this and that, now you no go respond. The only people where they there for the same thing where they do. That one no good. Make we stop am. Everybody dey important for everybody life. Ngwana, my country people. Now so it be we go meet the other place. Bye bye no.